In this experiment, we are going to make a battery out of a lemon. You are going to need a multimeter, a copper wire, one galvanized nail, and one lemon. First, squeeze the lemon without breaking its skin. Place the copper wire in the lemon and make sure it is stable. Place the nail in the lemon about 3/4 of an inch away from the copper wire. Make sure both the copper and the nail are pushed in the lemon enough to be in contact with its juices. Set the meter to the 200 ohm scale in the DCV section. Using the multimeter, touch one probe to the copper wire and one probe to the nail. You should see a small increase in voltage. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.